In this video, we will be talking about our high-frequency words from Unit 6, Week 3. Our first high-frequency word is been. This is the word been. Say it with me. Been. They have been busy. Let's spell this word in the air with our finger. B, E, E, N. Been. Our next high-frequency word is children. This is the word children. Say it with me. Children. The children won their game. Let's spell this word in the air with our finger. C, H, I, L, D, R, E, N. Children. Our next high-frequency word is month. This is the word month. Say it with me. Month. July can be a very hot month. Take your finger and let's spell this word on our leg. M, O, N, T, H. Month. Our next high-frequency word is question. This is the word question. Say it with me. Question. Who will answer the question? Let's spell the word question with our finger on the floor, or on a table, or on a counter. Q, U, E, S, T, I, O, N. Question. Our next high-frequency word this week is there. This is the word there. Say it with me. There. Their dog likes to cool off when it's hot. Let's take our finger and spell this word in the air. T, H, E, I, R. There. Our last high-frequency word for this week is year. This is the word year. Say it with me. Year. It snowed a lot here this year. Let's take our finger and spell it in the air. Y, E, A, R. Year. This week we have two bonus vocabulary words. Our first bonus vocabulary word is country. Say that with me. Country. A country is a land where a group of people live. This is a map of our country. What country do you live in? Our last bonus vocabulary word for this week is gathers. Say it with me. Gathers. Gathers means brings or comes together in one place. She gathers some spring flowers. Think and name another word that means something similar to gathers.